These viral videos are taking over YouTube and TikTok, and the growth is insane. Take a look at this channel that started just a few months ago, already has over 500,000 subscribers and more than 200 million views, posting nothing but AI-generated animal rescue videos. With numbers like that, they could easily be making upwards of $10,000 a month. These videos are going viral because people love heartwarming stories of animals being rescued, healed, and finding happy homes. The good thing is that this niche works perfectly for both long-form videos and shorts. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create your own viral animal rescue videos using free AI tools. So stick around till the end so you won't miss any steps. Now let's get started. The first step is to come up with story ideas, and for this, we'll be using ChatGPT. To make things easier, I've put together a Google Doc filled with detailed prompts designed to help you get engaging video ideas and even create unique image prompts for your content. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description of this video. If you've made it this far, please like the video. This small action helps the algorithm push it out to more creators like you who can benefit from these tips. Now go over to the Google Doc and copy the idea prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, then click enter and watch as it generates a list of creative ideas for your video. Take your time to go through the suggestions and choose the one that stands out to you or feels like the best fit for your audience. If none of the ideas feel quite right, no worries. Just ask ChatGPT for more suggestions, and you'll instantly have a fresh batch of concepts to choose from. This step is crucial because a strong and engaging story idea will set the tone for the rest of your video. Now that we have our video ideas and have decided on a topic, the next step is creating prompts to generate the images we'll use to bring this story to life. First, head back to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt provided. Then go over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Now replace this part with the idea number we have decided on, which is number 1, the baby seal beach escape. Then click enter and ChatGPT will generate 6 creative prompts you can use to create your images. These prompts are tailored to your idea, ensuring the visuals match the tone and story you're aiming for. If your goal is to create a long-form video instead of a shorter one, you'll need more image prompts to match the extended length of the story. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate additional prompts based on how long you want your video to be. Now here's a critical step to ensure character consistency across all your images. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the consistent character prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will then provide you with an updated set of detailed prompts that ensure your characters look the same in every image, whether they're in a beach scene, a dramatic moment, or a close-up shot. Now that we've crafted our image prompts, the next step is to turn those prompts into stunning visuals. For this, we'll be using Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open the creation interface. Before we start creating, let's adjust the settings to ensure your images are optimized for your video format. First, change the style to realistic to make your visuals look lifelike. Next, set the aspect ratio depending on your content type. For short-form content, use 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. If you're creating a long-form video for YouTube or other platforms, set the ratio to 16:9. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Return to Ideogram, paste the prompt into the input box, and click Generate. At this point, Ideogram will work its magic analyzing the details of your prompt to create unique visuals based on your description. When the images are ready, you'll be presented with several options generated from your prompt. Take your time to review each one carefully. Look for visuals that best align with your story's tone and message. Once you find an image you like, download it directly to your device. Now repeat this process for all the image prompts you've prepared to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to take our visuals to the next level by animating them into video. For this step, we'll be using HailuoAI. Go over to your browser and search for HailuoAI.video. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open the animation interface. This is the workspace where your static images will begin their transformation into motion. Begin by uploading the first image you want to animate. Once your image is uploaded, you'll need a text prompt to guide the animation process. For this, head back to ChatGPT and copy the same prompt you originally used to generate that image, then return to HailuoAI and paste it into the text box provided. When everything is set, click Generate and let HailuoAI work its magic. Depending on the complexity of the image and the prompt, this process might take a little while, so patience is key. Once the animation is complete, preview the result and check if the animation is smooth and visually appealing. If you're satisfied, go ahead and download the animated video to your device. Now repeat this process to animate the rest of your images into videos. The next step is get background music to set the mood and keep your audience engaged. Instead of spending hours searching for copyright-free music, we're going to create our own custom soundtrack that perfectly fits your video's tone. For this, we'll use Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you haven't already created an account, now's the time to sign up. Once you've logged in, click on the music icon, and you will be presented with the music creation interface. This is where we'll craft your custom soundtrack tailored specifically to your video. We're not focusing on lyrics. We're going to keep things simple and create a soundtrack based entirely on the style of music. To determine the right music style, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music for a calm and relaxing tone, then click Enter. ChatGPT will provide you with a great recommendation based on your description. Copy the style of music and return to Suno. Paste the music style into the appropriate field. Next, give your track a title. After that, click Create and Suno will begin generating your custom track based on the style you've chosen. Once it's finished, Suno will present you with 2 distinct tracks created based on your inputted style. Let's listen to them. Now download the one you prefer to your device. The final and most important step is to bring everything together through editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Begin by opening CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated videos you created earlier. Next, set your aspect ratio to match your content's platform. Since we're focusing on vertical formats like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, choose 9:16. This ensures your video will look great on mobile devices. If you're planning to create long-form content for YouTube, you can adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 instead. If any of your clips have watermarks or logos, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Click on the clip with the logo, then use the stretching or cropping tool to resize it until the logo disappears. Watermark-free video looks much more professional. Repeat this process for all your clips to ensure consistency throughout your video. Now it's time to arrange your clips in the correct order based on your story. Take your time to ensure the sequence flows naturally. Each scene should transition seamlessly to the next, keeping your audience engaged from start to finish. If necessary, add or remove clips to refine the pacing of your story. To smooth out the flow between scenes, we will add transitions. Click on the overlay options and select the transition you prefer. Then click Apply to All to apply the transition to every clip. This will give your video a polished and cohesive feel. Next, we add sound effects to our clips. These small audio details can make a huge difference in immersing your audience in the story. Like the beach scene, add gentle wave sounds or seagulls in the background. The helicopter scene, use a realistic helicopter sound effect to enhance the drama. CapCut has a library of sound effects you can choose from, or you can import your own. Once you've added the sound effects, adjust their volume so they don't overpower the video or music. The goal is for the sound effects to enhance the scene, not distract from it. If you want to give your video a unique touch, explore video effects to add some flair. CapCut offers a variety of effects you can use to create a specific mood or enhance particular scenes. Now it's time to bring in the background music you created with Suno. Import the music file into CapCut and sync it with your video timeline. Now watch your video from start to finish to see if it's well edited. Once you're satisfied with the editing, click on Video Resolution Settings and increase it to 4K for the best quality, then save the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments section.